Sometimes a single condition isn't enough to make a decision. For example, even if it's a sunny day, I can't go for hiking if I don't have hiking shoes. In this case, I might ask, if it's a sunny day and if I have hiking shoes, then I'll go for hiking. There are two tests here. Is it a sunny day and do I have hiking shoes? To select the action going for hiking, they both have to be true. If the first condition is false, for example, it's not a sunny day, then no action is taken. If the second condition is false, it doesn't matter if it's a sunny day or not, I won't be going for hiking if I don't have hiking shoes. JavaScript has a special operator to test more than one conditions. It's called logical AND operator and is represented by two ampersands. We can place one condition on either side of the two ampersands. The two conditions are evaluated separately, but work together to create a single Boolean value, true or false. For example, let's say we want to test if a variable holds a number between 60 and 70. Well, there's no single comparison operator that we can use to check if a number lies within a specific range. However, we can use the logical AND operator for this. Let's learn and practice how it works. To code along with me, first download the course folder from the link in the description below, unzip it and open it with your favorite code editor. Here I'm using Visual Studio Code. From the course folder, open the exercise folder called JavaScript Conditional Statements. And then open the index.html file using Google Chrome. Here I also open the JavaScript console. In the console, I'll create a variable named score and set it to 65. I can test the value in this variable like this. What we really have here are two separate conditions. Each condition is tested separately and produces its own true or false value. We know that the value in the score variable is 65. So the first condition asks if score is bigger than 60. Or is 65 bigger than 60? Yes, it is. So this first condition is true. The second condition asks if score is less than 70 or is 65 less than 70? Yes, it is. So this condition is also true. The role of the logical AND operator is to combine the results from multiple conditions. It asks, is condition 1 true and is condition 2 true? In this case, yes, they're both true. So I'll press enter. As you can see, the result is a true value. Let's continue with a few more examples. I'll update the value of the score variable to 75. Then press the up arrow key twice to bring back the conditions. Now the first condition is true because 75 is bigger than 60. But the second condition, 75 is less than 70, is false. I'll press enter. So notice how the entire condition evaluates to false. Alright, how about I set the value of score to 50? Now the first condition is false because 50 is not bigger than 60. And the second condition is true because 70 is bigger than 50. But with logical AND operator, if either of these is false, the entire condition evaluates to false. Finally, let's say there is a string value in the variable. Well, that's not a number at all, so it can't be compared to a number. So in this case, both conditions are false, and logically enough, the entire condition evaluates to false. As you can see, the logical AND operator is pretty strict. Use the logical AND operator whenever you need multiple conditions to pass before starting an action. For example, say we have a login form on our website. We might check to see that both the username and password fields are filled out before submitting the form.